What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to show you the stackable widgets that are now available when you download Android 13 One UI 5.0. So pretty much all you would need to do is just go to a blank page on your home screen, press down, go to where it says widgets, and pretty much you just want to find a widget that you want to have on your home screen. So first I'm going to pick the Facebook widget. I'm going to drag it and drop it here. I'm going to resize it, but if you press and hold down on it, it says create a stack. So now you're able to have stack widgets on this One UI 5.0, and you can stack widgets inside of widgets. So say you wanted your Facebook widget and then you also wanted calendar, but you didn't want all your widgets on one page. All I'd have to do is just drop it in there and swipe, and just like that I have a stackable widget. Let me see if we can drop another widget down. Let me see how many you can have. I'm not quite sure. And if you want to edit it, all you want to do is just press down on the widget and hit edit stack, and it'll let you get rid of the widget, or it'll let you add another widget. So let's throw the calendar in there also. Hit add, and now just right there I have 3 different widgets. It's called stack widgets, just like that. So that is a nice little feature that you can currently do on your Samsung One UI Samsung 5.0 One UI 5.0 update, which is running Android 13. That looks really nice and clean to me. And then we can just drag it here just like that. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.